Hello YouTube and blog followers. Been doing some shop cleaning this week. Still got some organizing to do. But I figured I'd give a little tour. But most of all, this week we have an unboxing. This box here weighs about 86 pounds, measures 24 by 24 by 27. I'm going to try to get to it by Friday. So, quick little tour of the lab. We've got the Xeltek Superpro 5000E 6100N. We've got some label printers for doing one-off chips and such. Got the other label printer that will do them a lot faster. We've got the test equipment, mostly all Siglent. There's one Rigol there. We have the Quick TR1300A and the TR1100. We've got the usual Hakko equipment. We got a microscope. So I got some rearranging still to do this week to get it to be a little bit more efficient now. I get my board under by my stool, but it's late and I'm gonna go to bed. So good night, and computer, shop off. Well, let's try that again. Computer, shop off.